Welcome to the OITE Learning Management System. My name is Austin Childs, and I'm going to overview tips and tricks associated with the system. This is the OITE LMS home screen. My Learning List is the primary location to find OITE enrollments and is found on the home page. To navigate back to the home page, click on that home icon in the left-hand menu. If you scroll down, you can also see upcoming class sessions and learning progression. At first glance, the LMS can feel overwhelming. However, it's important to know that OITE does not expect you to be completing skills or earning badges. These are functionalities that we have yet to implement. By pressing Go to My Learning, or in the left-hand menu by pressing My Learning, this will take you to a different screen featuring both OITE enrolled courses and their subsequent modules. To sort this, you can click Learning Paths in the left-hand menu. In the OITE LMS, modules are called courses and course enrollments are called learning paths. To navigate into a course enrollment, click on the course icon. Pressing Continue will launch you into a module that may be in progress. Course modules and class sessions will be found in the main section of the page. On the right side is a handy tracker for logistical support. Sometimes documents will appear here that you can download. Within the document menu, here is the download icon. Clicking on the arrow or inverse caret icon will expand the module or class session to reveal more detailed information. You can also click on the blue link to navigate into the section. Clicking on the broader course card will launch you into the module. This screen shows information that is custom to the learning module. You can toggle to other tabs to learn about additional features. This is the Notes tab, and this is the Discussions tab. To access the module, click on it. The OITE Learning Management System modules may take a second to load. The outer black ring is for learning path level controls. The arrows found down here are to navigate between modules. This is to go full screen. This icon is to make notes during the module. This is the module level controls. To navigate between slides, you can click here, but we do not recommend this option. We recommend using the arrows within a course to navigate between course slides and course content. This CC button is where you can access the closed captions. Pausing the content will pause the audio. These three lines will open up the table of contents. Note that there are two X's here. This X closes the table of contents, while this X is in the broader learning path menu and will close out of the module. Make sure to use only the controls within the module, such as clicking within it to toggle between screens, rather than using the module level controls or the learning path level controls. Once you are done, please provide a rating for the course.